For years, Verizon's buyout of Vodafone's minority stake in Verizon Wireless almost seemed inevitable. However, it almost seemed impossible because of the sheer magnitude of the deal, which wound up being about $130 billion. A big part of that was just financing a deal of that size. Now, here to talk about the deal and the notes offering and the larger corporate bond market is Paul Denaro of Milbank Tweed.
Thank you, Chris, for the opportunity to speak with you.
Well, we're glad to have you here. So this deal contained a number of tranches. Can you talk about kind of pulling that together and how it compares to other things that are happening in the bond market?
Yeah, this deal had 8 tranches hitting the 3, 5, 7, 10, and 20 and 30-year positions. And this year we've seen a lot of volatility in the market on the interest rates and a lot of uncertainty into terms of the notes when we've launched. The beauty of this deal is because we had so many terms, we could hit all of the needs of the investors and then shift between the market demand to fill the sizes.
Now, it's been widely reported that there was a great investor interest in this offering. Can you talk about that and how it compares to other things that are happening in the market?
Yeah, I think by all accounts this deal was a bit of a blowout. You know, in hot markets we've seen deals upsize considerably, but nothing on this magnitude. And hopefully this will spur other investors to come to market with similarly sized deals or large deals.
Okay, so some of these notes priced close to high yield, and can you talk about the pricing environment and how this might have happened if the Fed's announcement on tapering had come sooner?
Well, I think it's very important to think about this in the context of the Fed position and the market news that was out there. Everyone expects interest rates to increase over time, so on the longer yields it seemed like the yields were a little bit higher. Had the deal been done after the Fed announcement, perhaps things would have been different, but with a deal of this size and the execution risk, the company moved forward.
Okay, so what do you think about the direction and mood of the corporate bond market following this mega deal?
Well, as I said before, there seemed to be a lot of uncertainty in the market and whether someone could get a transaction done of this size. Hopefully this will inspire other large corporates and sponsors to engage in significant M&A transactions, given that they now believe they can get large deals done.
Okay, well thanks. That's Paul Denaro from Milbank Tweed on Verizon and the Verizon Notes offering.